Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. The previous class, what you learned about seeds. These are so many seeds, so many types of seeds. Yes or no? In that, some are edible seeds, means which we can eat. Now, what is the role of a seed? Why are seeds important? What happens when we sow a seed into the soil? So, seeds are important because they make new plants or not? Yes, from seeds only we get new plants. We sow seeds to get new plants from them. After we sow them, we see a sprout appear above the ground. Yes or no? So, now role of seeds in plants. When a seed gets the right amount of water and air, it starts growing into a new plant. At first, the seed breaks open and the root comes out. Root fixes the plant to the soil, then the stem and leaves come out. This process is called germination. So, what is the role of a seed? Here we see germination of seeds. When we sow a seed into the soil, what happens first? It breaks open and root comes out. Root fixes the plant to the soil. Then the stem and leaves come out. This process is called germination. Yes or no? This process is called germination. Next, fruits and vegetables. The part of the plant that has seeds inside is called a fruit. Some people lady fingers, brinjals and pumpkins or vegetables, but actually they are fruits because they have seeds inside them. Potato, carrots and spinach do not have seeds in them. They are the stems, roots or leaves of plants. So fruits contains what? Seeds. So even though pumpkin, brinjal and ladyfingers are vegetables, it has seeds. So actually these are fruits only. Next, here you see fruits, vegetables. When you cut the fruit, what you see in the fruit? Seeds you can see or not? Yes, in that fruits also different types are there. Fleshy and dry fruits. Fruits store food for the plant and protect the seeds. What is the function of the fruit? Fruits store food for the plant and protects the seeds. Fruits are of different colors, sizes and shapes. Some fruits have a soft part which can be eaten. These fruits are called fleshy fruits. Apples, bananas and mangoes are fleshy fruits. So, how can we differentiate? How can we classify the fruits? By seeing the size, by seeing the color, by seeing the shape, we can keep into groups. Yes or no? Some fruits has like orange and apple. They have some pulp inside the fruits. The fruit that does not have pulp are called dry fruits. Walnuts, groundnuts and almonds are examples of such fruits. Here you see dry fruits. These are called dry fruits. It has no pulp. Pulp means the fleshy part in the soft part in the fruit. In apple we can see the pulp. In orange also we can see the pulp. In grapes also we can see the pulp. So those are called fleshy fruits. And which fruits have no pulp? Those are called dry fruits. Like groundnuts, almonds. These are all called dry fruits. Next, different fruits have different numbers of seeds in them. Some fruits like mango